Now, E63 4matic. Mr. John here, he replaced the transmission oil cooler. That's the part number of the transmission oil cooler. That's the oil cooler here. What do you see? Mr. John, you clean the lines, you told me, right?
They washed already.
Alright, you blow, that's why all this mess down here. Alright, very good. That's the old one. The old one, please put again inside of this box, back to the customer. Alright? Put some cups. It's supposed to have some, these cups, you see? Okay, put the cups, don't come dirty. Put also the other cup. Keep it inside to give it back to the owner. Alright? You're closing back the bumper. And then you said to me that the auxiliary pump here, it has a leak. The welders, I told them to stop. 5 minutes only on it, just 5 minutes. So, Mr. John, here, it might crack the pump if you try to open all this. I think that we have a pump like this, in better condition than this thing, alright? So what are you gonna do? You're gonna remove this clamp, you're gonna remove the pipe here, you're gonna clean it from the salt and all this what has outside, you're gonna insert inside, you're gonna put a clamp with a bolt, okay? Now, if it crack or if you don't feel nice with that, we're gonna get, we have a used pump, we're gonna put it on and finish the story, call it a day. If it's okay, it's okay. Alright? Now that it's missing the headlight and it's open, it's much better to address this thing. Alright? Yeah, that's it. I'm going inside to continue the transmission. Right? You need something?
Yeah,
no.
yeah, it's okay.
This,
Okay.
take care about this one. Very good, excellent. The other 4matic. This is a different one. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Nice. Good job. You block also the lines there.
Yeah.
You see that the pipes are open. There is also one filter over there. There is a small filter. Yeah, put some masking tape or put some caps there, clean caps, so don't find anything inside. And then we have to check also the filter that it's giving to the transfer case the oil. There is one small screen inside. Can I reach it? Can I reach it now? Can I reach this shit now? Yeah, maybe I can. Yeah, let's see. Where's the filter? You blow with air.
With petrol.
Yes, but it might came out. There is one restrictor and one small filter. Silver piece. Go away, go away.
Can I make up the car?
There you go. That's it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take it inside the engine room. I'm gonna install this. Block this pipe here, don't find anything inside. I'm gonna clean it. It looks okay. Maybe it has the pieces. Yeah, you see on my finger, has some shiny. Yeah, okay, no worries, I'm gonna clean this one. You clean the pipe, you said, right? Yeah. Amazing, excellent. Very good, Mr. John. Okay, I'm going inside to continue. Please block the oil lines, yes. Okay, finish the other 4matic. I finished it first because we didn't remove the transmission from the car. It didn't have a shrapnels, it didn't have a savings inside, didn't explode the bearing, and no need to open the other transmission. It was a different problem. So that's why now I'm continuing with that. First I fixed the other one. Then today is Friday, April 8th. Okay, same day. Alright. This is the restrictor and the screen that has to fill up the transfer case, and it's important to have this there, otherwise you're gonna get flooded back the transfer case and it's not good to run full of oil. It has to be in one level, and the restriction that has here with the return that has the transfer case, it's been calculated to have one specific level of oil inside the transfer case on these two big gears. It's not good to be full of oil. This I wash it. The guys, I saw you earlier that the guys, they install the transmission cooler and they clean the lines, the new cooler, and they clean the lines. What else? Yes, nothing more, nothing less. I'm gonna clean a little bit the table, it's already been cleaned, just again to wipe it out, and bring the parts here to start working on it, since I get the bearings. The bearings are here. Seals, I already had the seal, and one I didn't press, we're gonna see in a while. Bearings, new nut, obviously. This that I give a sample before goes back to the customer. Yeah, let's bring the parts out. Let's bring the parts here to start working on it. Okay, now it's been more than an hour because I have to go outside. Unfortunately, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm saying sorry to the customer actually. Yeah. Now what I have done here. These are the bearings from the exploded gear. Not this one. This is the good one that I press a new bearing on it because they give me this at the beginning. So this one it's supposed to be this, yeah, and I put the race here inside. It's already been in place. Then these bearings, it's from the donor transmission that I get this gear, and I get also this gear. Yes, okay, yeah. The old nut here, new bearings here, new nut here, the new seals here, 1, 2, like the previous one. Okay. Dang it with this sound. Bearing, double bearing, the safe, the C clip that goes here back. Okay. Now, to don't be mixed up, because what's this numbers? This is for the seams. This one, it comes here. That's why I keep it here. This one, it comes here. And this one, obviously, it comes here. And that's what I'm gonna do today. Today I'm gonna put the race and the bearings installed, and tomorrow we're gonna continue with the rest. The stupid sound. They're building the Titanic. Oh boy, oh boy. Like I said, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the bearings, turn on the oven. Yeah, and the rest tomorrow. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna show you also the bearings that are gonna be installed. Yeah. Okay. Both race back in place. New seal, new race, new seal. Okay. Then here, new race, new race. How many minutes we have? Screw it. It's okay. Now it's gonna be fine. Let's get one. Oh, Smokey. You know what I didn't do? I didn't put some oil. Doesn't matter. I didn't wash them. The previous bearing I washed the oil that had on it. These bearings I didn't wash the oil. That's why it's smoky. Let's put also the other one. I should put a little bit oil because this one has a guide, the gear, and sliding nice. This one does have any guide. It can go sideways. Wait. Ah, sorry. I put some oil. I was talking to the welders to stop. Hot cookie, it's coming. Not sideways, please. Yes, there you go. Beautiful. And it's remaining only one. Yeah. Okay, I make it upside down. I put a little bit of oil. I will still have some time. Oh, come here. Oops. God damn it. Yes. Excellent. Nice. That's it. I'm going home. No, I have to turn off the oven. Where are you going home? Okay, nice. Yeah, so they're gonna stay as it is, and tomorrow I'm gonna continue. Like I said, like what I did on the previous transmission. On this one I have to triple check it because these two gears, it belongs to a different transfer case. So don't have any headache. I might need to remove the race and change the seams from back. We're gonna see about that. The good thing is that it's not been assembled transmission. I have it in front of me and it's much more easy to check one at a time the gears and both of them at the end. Yep, before I close it. That's what I'm talking about. Still wearing the glove. Yay. Well, we have a hole. That's it. Have a good night. Tomorrow it's Saturday, right? Yes, Saturday. Yeah, we are working.